Don't ask Cat. Cat is always quick to say what's on his mind. How do I look? Asked Pig. Ridiculous. Ouch. Why are you leaving? Asks his friends. I'm bored. That's rude. Do you like it? Asked Squirrel. It's hideous. Oh. Isn't she sweet? Bunny asked about her baby. She stinks like poop. Well. Do you like sprinkles? Asked the ice cream man. I hate sprinkles. They tickle my tongue and get stuck in my throat and make me cough until I throw up. Ew. No one wants to be around Cat. Don't ask Cat. He's rude. His words hurt. He tells you more than you want to know. He's mean. Little bird up there heard all that about Cat, and he sees Cat doesn't feel good about that. I don't mean to be mean. I'm just saying what I think. Maybe you can slow down and look closer before you say what's on your mind. That's a great idea, Bird. Let's try it. Do you like my nest? I think Cat wants to say, it's a soggy, mossy, tangled mess. But this time, Cat slows down, looks closer, thinks hard, and finally says, I like the bits of yellow yarn. And he does. Thank you, Cat. Oh, that made Bird happy. What do you think of my painting, Bird? Asked Cat. I like the bright red drip, says Bird. Cat smiles. Thank you, Bird. Now, Cat thinks about his words before he says what's on his mind. So the next time Cat is asked, how do I look? Cat says, palm trees look good on you. And they do. Squirrel says, do you like it? Cat says, it's magical. And it is. Bunny asks, isn't she sweet? Cat says, her toes are so tiny. And they are. Aww. And the next time Cat is asked, do you want sprinkles? Cat says, no, thank you. And keeps the rest of his comments to himself.